If you have a 1999 to 2002 Silverado and your odometer or PRND display goes black, comes back when you hit a bump, then disappears again, this video solves it. The problem? Bad solder joints on your instrument cluster circuit board. The factory used cheap solder that cracks over time. I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Takes 30 minutes, costs almost nothing. Let's do this. First, confirm you have the right problem. Symptoms of bad solder joints. Odometer works sometimes, not others. PRND 321 display completely black or very dim. Hit a bump, everything lights up, then goes dark again. Cluster powers on, but some displays stay dark. If that's your truck, it's definitely the solder joints on the circuit board, not the stepper motors, not the bulbs, the solder. This fix works for 99, 2000, 2001, and 2002. Here's what you need. Soldering iron, 30 watts or less. Rosin core solder. Screwdrivers to remove the cluster. 30 minutes of time. That's it. No special tools, no expensive parts. The cluster comes out in 5 minutes. The repair takes 10. Reinstall takes 5. Simple. Step 1. Remove the instrument cluster. Tilt your steering wheel all the way down. Remove the trim panel around the cluster. It just pops off. 4 7mm screws hold the cluster in. Remove them. Pull the cluster straight toward you about 6 inches. Reach behind, unplug the electrical connector. Cluster's out. Set it on your workbench. Step 2. Open the cluster. Pop off the clear plastic lens. It's held by clips. Remove the gauge needles carefully. Pull straight up. Remove the circuit board. You'll see it. Now flip the board over. Look for the connector plug solder points. They're on the edge where the big plug connects. You'll see small cracks in the solder, sometimes burn marks. Those are your problem joints. Step 3. Resolder the joints. Heat up your soldering iron. Let it get hot. Touch the tip to each solder joint for 2 to 3 seconds. Add a tiny bit of new solder to each joint, just a touch. You're reflowing the old solder and adding fresh solder to fill the cracks. Work on every joint at the plug connector area. Also check the small resistors near the PRND display. Resolder those too if they look cracked. Let everything cool for 5 minutes. Step 4. Put it back together. Circuit board back in, gauge needles back on, lens snaps back. Plug in the connector, slide the cluster back in, 4 screws, trim panel, turn your key to accessory. Everything should light up. Odometer, PRND, all gauges. Hit your dash with your hand. Everything stays on, you're done. Problem solved. Permanently. If this fixed your cluster, hit that like button. Got questions? Drop them below. Subscribe for more Silverado fixes like this one. Thanks for watching.